It's like, okay, it actually works. And there's this like magical moment in which what you learn and then apply it and it actually works, and it just, you still can't believe it because you're like, I know it's supposed to, but that has not really been the case so far.
Well, when Brocky was here, he had the wedge under my foot. He had me do an overhead press, and my overhead presses always feel not great. And then he had me stand on a wedge with 1 foot forward in like a split stance, and it just went up like butter. And I was like, wait, what? I was like,
Yeah.
it's like, that's a thing, like just by placing this little ramp underneath my big toe, and all of a sudden, like the rest of the chain just sort of shot up. Just
The foot is huge. That's why we focus on it so much. You change the shape of the foot, the femur changes, the tibia changes, the rib cage changes. Everything starts to change based on what's happening down here. And it just makes sense, right? You start with the foundation, and based on that, everything on top have to adjust